Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. So without any further ado, let's get started. I will set a 5-minute timer on my cell phone. 3, 2, 1. It started. So I will rush and the first thing I will apply is Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Then we'll apply the Fit Me Concealer with the shade 36 Golden. I won't be using the foundation for this look. After blending, we'll use exposed compact powder. Then we'll apply my favorite gloss, Gloss Me Lip Gloss. Then we'll brush my eyebrows. I have already messed up with them, you can see. Yeah, I am done. 1 minute 19 seconds are still remaining. What? That's it guys. A simple basic look in just 5 minutes. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.